why we're trying to find him.
Find who?
Nemo! Where are you, Nemo?
Who's Nemo?
He's my son. You know that.
I love games. Right. Oh, now I'm thinking of something.
That's jellyfish!
Good.
Jellyfish! And the next one, jellyfish!
All right, Mr. Smarty Pants.
Stop playing games!
Games? I love games. Ooh, I'm thinking of something pink and bouncy that looks like a balloon.
Ah, jellyfish!
Right. Okay, now I'm thinking of something pink, kind of balloony.
That's jellyfish!
You're good. And I'm thinking.
Jellyfish! And the next one, jellyfish!
All right, Mr. Smarty Pants.
Stop playing games!
Games? I love games. Ooh, I'm thinking of something bouncy. Too fast for me.
Stop moving around!
Right. Now I'm thinking of something. Can I get a little higher? I don't know. It's echoey in here.
Dory, do something!
Hey, snappy dog. Can't catch me.
Swim away!
What the heck is that? Let it go, eh? Well, let it go, eh?